You can import out data from various file types inside of your Access database. And to do that, I'm going to go around over here into the external data tab right here. And over here, you can see that new data source is an option. So once you click on this, you can select out different file types that you can import out data from. So I'm going to go to From File right here, and I'm going to click on Excel right here. So once I do that, what happens is that I can choose an Excel file to bring in data from. So I'm just going to go around and click on Browse, then go on to my desktop, where you can see that I have an Excel file right here. So if I were to press Open right here, I can select out how I want to import my data. So I'm just going to go around over here and just keep this in the default option itself, press OK, and here you will be able to see the data as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and hit Next right here, hit Next. I'm just going to keep it as it is and click on Finish, and what happens is that it'll be imported out. Over here in the table, now you can see the data that I imported out from Excel. Similarly, you can go around over here and you can import out data from various file types as well. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and import out a database file right here. So this might be databases that you create from other software. So you can go around over here and select that out. And similarly, you can go around, import this out, click close, and the database will be imported out as you can see right here. You can go around over here and then you can go around, select different things as you can see right here. So for example, I'm just going to go for XML file now. So I'm just going to go around and even you can select out XML file right here, open this out, press OK, and here you can see the tables in the XML file, and press OK right here, and it's imported out as you can see right here. So over here, there are different data that has been imported as you can see right there. And that is how you can import out data from various file types inside of Microsoft Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.